Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best router tools that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Bosch PR20 EVS Colt Palm Router. The Bosch PR20 EVS Colt Palm Router is a powerful and versatile router tool with a 1.0 horsepower, 5.6 amp variable speed motor, providing speeds from 16,000 to 35,000 RPM. It features a straight edge guide for convenient routing along the edges of the workpiece or up to 5 or 8 inches from the edge, as well as an angled cord exit to keep the cord out of the way. The rugged aluminum fixed base provides stability, while the fast and precise depth adjustment system and versatile bit changing system make it easy to use for both beginners and professionals. Moving on, at number 4, we have the DeWalt 20V Max XR cordless router. The DeWalt 20V Max XR cordless router is a versatile tool for your woodworking needs. The dual LED lights illuminate your work surface, while the depth adjustment ring allows for quick and easy height adjustments. The electronic brake ensures faster motor shutdown once the unit is turned off, and the variable speed dial enables you to match the tool's speed to the application. The soft start motor with full-time electronic feedback helps maintain speed during cuts. At number 3, we have the Bosch 16-17 EVS-PK Wood Router Tool Combo Kit. The Bosch 16-17 EVS-PK Wood Router Tool Combo Kit is a versatile and durable tool for woodworking. It features aluminum construction with wooden handles on a fixed base and a soft grip handle on a plunge base. The rounded hardwood handles maximize user control, and the microfine bit depth adjustment makes it easy to use. The built-in constant response circuitry ensures a constant speed throughout the cut, resulting in cleaner, more accurate results. The user can set the optimal speed, 8,000 to 25,000 RPM, for more or less power. The kit includes a plunge base, fixed base, 1 to 4 inch and 1 2 inch collet, chucks, shaft wrench, collet nut wrench, chip shields, and carrying case. At number 2, we have the Skil router table and fixed base router kit. The Skil router table and fixed base router kit includes the Skil router table with above the table adjustment, integrated bit storage, aluminum mite gauge slot, router clamp, starter pin, and 2 feather boards, along with a 10 amp fixed base corded router that provides smooth and accurate routing from start to finish with soft start, speed control, and a live tool indicator. The tall fence with adjustable feather boards, adjustable MDF base plates, and starter pin and guard provides precise routing for tall stock. Use the router table for heavy routing and the fixed base router to complete the task. And finally, at number 1, we have the Avid Power Compact Router for woodworking. The Avid Power Compact Router for woodworking is a versatile tool that features a powerful 6.5 amp motor with a variable speed control dial, allowing users to choose a more appropriate speed for different materials. Its smooth rack and pinion depth adjustment system ensures precise operation for a range of cabinetry and woodworking applications, while the dual bright LED lights illuminate dark working areas. The router also features an ergonomic design with a rubber-covered handle for a comfortable grip and a quick locking system for convenient depth adjustments and base changes. Additionally, the durable aluminum body and base ensure long-term durability, and the dust hood removes dust to leave a clean workspace. The package includes the router tool with a 12.1F or 3.7 mm cord, 5 router bits, edge guide, roller guide, dust hood, 3 8s, and 1 4 collet, wrench, and tool bag. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.